So for this screencast, I'll be showing you how Google polls work. What I have pulled up right now shows my survey that I created for political awareness, and so this has 5 different questions where people rate themselves from 1 to 5 likely on a scale, and so there, and then I have the name optional. And so this is in from the Google Drive view. Since I'm the creator, I can see this, and to check my responses, I click right here on the responses tab, and you can get a summary of everybody that has responded to it, which is shown here, or you can also look at it from the perspective of the individual. So I had my friend Katie take it, and so these show you Katie's exact answers, and you can see right here where her name was put. And so that's how you look at your responses. So it's very easy to work from the inside out. You look at your responses right from where you created the questions, and so that makes it very simple to use in the classroom and just for like any lesson that you could integrate this into.